you got a nice truck and you're trying to keep it clean, well, the people out at Diamooky sent me a liner for the rear seats in my truck. I want to show it to you guys. Get up there. And there he is. Seat's completely protected. It's got these little L clamps that go inside these little latches. You gotta have the window down, and then you gotta finesse the little clamps inside the window seal. They stay in there, covers the top of the window because the dogs like to put their paws on the window and make all kinds of marks and stuff like that. I got these leads up here shortened up way because I want this to be tight. This has got a hard bottom here and a hard bottom here. And these backs, they just kind of drape over the headrests. You can tighten them up if you want. And they actually send you a lead that you can hook to the dog's collar if you're trying to tie them into like your seatbelt area and stuff like that. And down here, there's a Velcro spot right here where you can feed the lead through into your seatbelt, and you can actually buckle it in. You can buckle the dog in if you don't want him to kind of lurch to the front or anything like that. You can actually lock him in back there where he's got some freedom, but he's not able to come up and distract you while you're driving. There he is. It's one of my wife's complaints is when we're riding with the dogs, they like to step up on the center console and it distracts you from other drivers and it's dangerous. I got a habit of letting them do it, but when I have this in the truck, they don't have an option to do it. It's just they stay back there, it's screened so they can see through, and the instructions are just absolutely phenomenal. It just shows you, like, take it out of the package, unfold it in the back seat, start getting your headrests and stuff put on. Shows you how to put the little brackets and stuff on. Right here it talks about insert the fasteners into the seat grips. I didn't do that. I didn't have to do that. And then here, the clips around the headrest up here. And then also little L brackets that go down into the channel of the window. And it shows you kind of like on an angle, slide, putting it on an angle and then kind of just swiping it in. Just nice and easy. You got to finesse it. And there it is installed. Exactly as displayed. How you like that, buddy? Is that good for you? Oh, you guys didn't see the lead. I left the lead out. If I wanted to hook him in, here's a lead that they give you. I could hook this to his collar, and then I could run it down through there and have him locked in so he's not trying to get up front or bouncing around all over the place if I wanted him latched in. Which, I don't latch him in. He's a good dog. So, yeah. Most you'll have to clean with this in your truck is the window. So, great job, guys. Great product. Easy to install. Definitely heavy duty. Appreciate you guys giving me the chance to review this. Thanks. Take care. Now you get a 1-year worry-free warranty. Anything happens to this thing, read the description so you know what's covered, but you get a 1-year worry-free warranty. Anyway, this product is absolutely phenomenal. I really enjoyed installing it. It was clean cut and dry. For the price point, it's great. I'm going to have a link down below for you guys. And I absolutely loves it. He's comfortable. Aren't you, buddy? You are comfortable.